Hi, I'm Anne. Today I'll be showing you how to do this autumnal makeup look using earthy colors such as green and brown. I already have CC cream on, so I'll be starting with the eyebrows. I'm filling in my eyebrows using the Gloss Brow Kit. Next, I'm using the shade Poison from Revolution Pro Regeneration Eyeshadow Palette in Mischief Mattes. I'm applying this to the center of my eyelid. It's not the most pigmented eyeshadow, so I'm applying several layers to build up the color. Using this shimmery brown eyeshadow from L'Oreal Color Rich Eyeshadow Palette in Nude Beige, I'm applying this to the outer third of my eyelid. From the same palette, I'm taking this shimmery, slightly golden eyeshadow and applying that to the front third of my eyelid. I'm also applying this to the front third of my under eye. Then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just blending all of the colors for a more seamless transition. For the eyeliner, I'm using KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown. I'm drawing a natural wing by following the gradient of my eye shape. I'm also lining my upper lash line. I'm curling my eyelashes next. Using a brown eyeliner pencil, I'm lining my upper waterline to fill any gaps. I'm also lining the outer third of my lower lash line and softening the line with the sponge tip. Next, I'm applying Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo Dualcara to my upper and lower eyelashes. After that, I'm contouring my face using the Sleek Face Contour Kit. I'm slightly rushing here because I was about to head out for a dinner date with my partner and just realized I was running low on time. For the blush, I'm using L'Oreal Lucent Magique Glow Blush in Dazzle Coral. I'm applying this generously to my cheeks to make the orange stand out to complement the green eyeshadow. Then I'm taking a smaller brush and contouring my nose. Now I'm taking the highlighter from the Sleek Face Contour Kit and applying that to my nose bridge, my cheeks and my chin. This will give you a bit more of a glow on an otherwise overcast autumnal day. For the lips, I'm using this bright red Ted Baker lipstick. I'm finishing off the makeup by dabbing a bit of highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes. And here's the final look. The green, brown and orange tones give a warm, earthy look, and the red lipstick adds an eye-catching pop of colour to an otherwise quite muted colour palette. I think this look is ideal for a date night during a late summer or autumn evening, when you just want to look slightly more glamorous than usual. We did in fact manage to catch our bus in time, in case anyone cared. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.